Hello children, welcome to today's art and craft class. So in this class I am going to tell you how to make a diya with a paper. So the sample here is, the diya is going to be like this. Okay, so I will show you some of the steps how to make a diya. You can follow to me. Okay. So children, for the diya making, the requirements are: take any two color papers, one scissor and the glue. Take any one of the color paper and fold them in a zigzag way. Let me show you how to fold it. Yeah, this method is called zigzag way. So until the paper finish, you have to continue the folding. Now you can see how I fold it. So the same way you have to do it. Now fold it into two parts. Yeah, exactly how I am showing you. So you can see I have made it 2, so the same way you also have to make it 2. Now put some gum or any Fevicol or anything, whatever you have, and you have to paste to the both the ends. Now slowly open it, so you can see it has formed a semicircle. Take one more paper and same you have to apply the glue as we done for the first one. Yeah, open the flips now. So you can see here two half parts. So take one of the half part and put the gum. Yeah. Now take one more half and attach both the semicircles the way how I am showing in the video. Now the background of the diya is ready. So let me show you how to make a diya. Take one more paper and vertically fold it into half and fold it into zigzag way. You can see how I am folding it. The same way you have to follow. The complete paper you have to fold it as I am showing you. Now take a scissor, cut both the edges of the paper. Now cut the other edge of the paper. Now fold the paper. You can see how I am showing, how I am doing now. Now apply the Fevicol in the between of the page and stick it. So you can see our half of the diya is ready. Take one more paper, cut the paper into a square shape. So you can see the square paper. Now fold it and cut it into half. Take only one triangle paper and fold it into zigzag way. So you can see how I have done. Now apply the Fevicol to it. Now it appears like this. Now take the first done diya. Apply some glue on it and stick it in the middle. Now diya is ready. Now take the background of the diya. Apply some glue to it and stick. Apply the gum properly and place it on the background. So children, today I showed you how to make a diya. So you can also try at your home and do it well. Okay. Thank you for watching. And see, our diya is ready.